Hey, seventh graders, happy Friday. We made it to Friday. This is your last Friday of being a seventh grader. Can you believe that? That's kind of fun to think about. Before we get into the lesson, this is going to be a quick video so that you can get right at your homework. I want to show you a little tip that might help some of you. You're going to get some time to play Online Cetera to continue to prepare for next week's quiz. I have one funny saying that might be helpful to you. I find that kids get this area mixed up a little bit. All these little countries here on the crown of South America. So I have a little saying that might help you. Every cow and vulture get some fries. Say that with me. Every cow and vulture gets some fries. And it maybe picture yourself at the zoo and giving the cow some fries and the vultures some fries. But every cow and vulture gets some fries. So we have Ecuador, every cow, Colombia, vulture, Venezuela, gets Guyana, some, Suriname, fries, French Guiana. All right? So every cow and vulture gets some fries. That might help you as you study. Let's take a look at your to-do list for today. After watching this video, you're going to read page 194 and fill out the graphic organizer. Can you pull out your book, hit pause if you need to, and turn to page 194? I need everyone to do that a second. You can hit pause. All right. All right, unpause it. 194. Could everybody point to the chart below the map that says Amazon River and its tributaries? It's in an orange box. Take your index finger and point to Amazon River and its tributaries. Then in the upper right-hand corner, there is a white box. It is the key to the map. And it tells you what all the colors and symbols mean. So take your index finger and point to the key. So you have the chart and the key. You're going to need those things in addition to the map to answer. All right. If you take a look at page 194, you will see that the Amazon River lesson just has 4 paragraphs for you to read. This is what the graphic organizer looks like that you're going to fill out. It says, as you read, fill in the graphic organizer with 3 details that support the main idea. So the whole page is about the Amazon River supports life in the vast rainforest. So as you read, what details prove that the Amazon River supports life? Why is the Amazon River at the heart of that, of producing life? One of them has already been filled in for you. The fact that thousands of plants and animal species and millions of insect species live there, that shows how it supports life. And then you'll get 3 more details after that one. So read and look for 3 details that support this main idea. Then use that chart and the key and the map to answer these 7 questions. When you're done, you can spend 10 to 15 minutes playing Online Cetera. The links and the direction are in the to-do list. So you'll have to go back to the to-do list for the links. You can play regular, you can play cartoon, play pin, place label, and type mode as you get more confident. Remember, every cow and vulture gets some fries. Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana. All right? So then when you're done, you can submit your graphic organizer and study hard, and that is your Friday. Contact me with questions. If there's something that's bothering you or you're frustrated with something, let me know. I'd love to help you. Have a great weekend, super 7th graders.